on, man. Donna!
Pure comfort right there.
Oh, you're gonna fall. Ah! Yo. You actually.
What? What is going on? What? What is going on?
Angel is not doing his job. You have one job. Look behind you.
Come on, this thing isn't even showing a sign of moving, my Mr. Coward.
That's right!
Filming again? Lucky for you. I'm so relaxed. So I'll let it slide this time.
Yapping wives when they find out you don't give 100% of your salaries.
Official. Oh.
I need to call.
Let's go.
Leave them alone for 1 hour, and this happens.
What? What is going on?
Oh my god!
Not going back outside.
She's biting me!
Doesn't matter what the machine actually does. If it saves a few steps, you'll take it, huh?
After he heard he's adopted.
You're adopted.
Just happened?
See anything, buddy? Because all we see is the start of a failed mirror test. Thing, Human. Well, what's next? Hey, watch it. So clumsy.
¡Ey! ¿Te estás chingando mi...?
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so...
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
You jumped over these double big...
Okay.
Scents might make someone shocked, but definitely not the smell of a cucumber, buddy.
No, 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 Luna, Luna, no! Oh my god, oh my god! It is bedtime. It is bedtime.
Two ends. There's like a bigger end and a smaller end. Oh, I bought this one. She's in there again.
I'm just kidding. You could pet me. I'm sorry.
Our smart buddy hits different. Moving house feels effortless than ever.
Two cookies, and I don't have any.
You're scaring me. Stop. Stop, please.
It's the best one.
Should you?
Do you have my back? Come on. Let's go. I know, they're gonna fight us. Come on.
I like to go, which I was bloody upset about. Oh no.
To my love, the most beautiful person I've never seen is this.
Yeah!
You do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
Oh my!
There, Pinkle.
He's not allowed up there. Get him down. Get that kitty.
Honestly, every house needs a dog like this.
This motherfucker just ate my pizza.
Kitty, kitty. He's on the side of the road.
Smart dudes don't see success as a destination, but as a stepping stone to a higher purpose.
Oh no!
You jumped over these double big.
Everyone. You're gonna fall! You're gonna fall! Ah!
Baby. Bless you, 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 bless you.
Got me dying.
What a funny cat.
Oh, she's not. Oh, so sorry about
Looks like someone is.
Oh no! No!
Look at the camera so we can take our picture. Smile. Don't yawn, smile.
Get used to it, doggo. Not everyone is chosen by this famously picky fella.
Gamma!
Kittens are.
I don't know.
Call USA Vein Clinics to schedule your consultation before body.
When you're too used to a nonchalant dude and that furball's a
Hey buddy, I can't let you outside.
Oh my.
I told you it was a little kitty. I thought it was a bobcat.
Dad, can we keep? Good boy, Kenneth.
Mr. Queso here. He is the last.
Got it? Thank you, buddy. Thanks for cleaning me up. Appreciate it.
You don't belong in there.
Bean.
I told you it was a little kitty. I thought it was a bobcat.
Dad, can we keep?
Here. How about here? There? Okay.
This furbal's imagination is really vivid when finding this blue stuff a threat to you.
Angel is not doing his job. You have one job. Look behind you.
Why did you wake me up at 3 in the morning? Yeah, you did. It was 3 in the morning.
Oh my God! Bagel, no! Bagel!
Scaring me. Stop. Stop, please.
What? What is going on?
For disaster.
Oh, yeah.
A Lego Town event that's not open to...
Or a fox. Fun.
Look into my eyes, Human. I'm ready for you to introduce someone new to me.
What's wrong?
Scaring me. Stop. Stop, please.
So I'm trying to wrap presents, and he won't leave my tape alone because he has a weird obsession with plastic. So this is what I do. Oh!
Go.
She's gotta sleep, Papas. Come on. Come on.
Work, so don't look up here.
Did you bring me your toy?
Your chest so as to hear your heartbeat and feel your warmth.
No snack. I'm sorry that you're mad. No snack. Snack later for lunch, okay? No mad.
All dogs living with cats have learned to ignore those sensitive violations of their personal space.
What are you doing, big perm, huh? What are you doing, big boy? You love your daddy 'cause your daddy loves you.
The dog's after knowing, watch out for your food bowl. Your time will come.
Oh, you're gonna fall.
I told you it was a little kitty.
Oh my
I thought it was a bobcat.
Dad, can we keep?
Shalalabosha.
Do it. Do the thing. Oh my god.
Have a deep connection.
Gary!
Not to let your cat pet you.
It's hard to be cute, but someone's gotta do it.
When you're constantly on high alert, even the air feels like a personal threat.
Do not.
I don't think there's anything for you, Rowdy, that you're going to take.
Kimchi.
You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Stop. Stop. Okay. Yeah, that's a stand snack.
That's fun, pretty good. I'm alright.
Cats and babies can be way closer and more compatible than you think. See ya! For a sleep addict, this is definitely an essential skill for getting some high-quality shut-eye.
Are you in trouble? I think you're in trouble.
Did you just do that by himself?
Yeah.
唉，真是人生无常，大肠包小肠。
Hard. Oh, and I fucking know it!
Stop hunting me. Why are you?
Adopting furballs this smart, you also got to accept that your stuff is going to... These two geniuses are like, so that's it. That's all there is to this lame game. How scary can a smart one get when hungry? Like this.
Oh my god. Is he actually? Oh my. Is Karen? What are you doing?
Oh no. Oh no.
What are you doing? I'm still mad at you. Get out!
Whose cat is this? There's a whole ass cat in my house, and it's not our cat. We don't have a cat. Where?